With Smartsheet, you can share your sheet or portions of your sheet with an unlimited number of collaborators for free. When you share a sheet, the latest version is available in real time to all collaborators and can be accessed from any device. To share a sheet, select the people you'd like to invite to share your sheet and choose their permission levels. Email addresses you enter that are currently in your contacts display automatically, as will any groups your group admin has created for your organization. Collaborators can be invited to share as editors, admins, or viewers. Editors can edit the sheet and add files and comments, but editors cannot modify the column layout. Admins must be licensed users and can add or remove collaborators, change permissions, and modify the content and structure of the sheet. Viewers can see all the information in a sheet, but cannot add to or change it. Once you've entered the email addresses, add an optional message to the invite details explaining what you're sharing with others. When your invitation is complete, click the Share button to send. You can also change the default view for the sheet and include a shared filter. The person receiving the invitation will get an email with a link to the sheet and can go directly to the sheet if they have a Smartsheet account. People who are new to Smartsheet will be asked to pick a password and create a free account. The sharing indicator shows who is viewing your sheet and informs you when collaborators make changes. To keep editors from making changes to rows or columns, use the lock feature. If you'd like to inform people about selected items in your sheet without sharing the entire sheet, use the Send option to send a row or multiple rows to anyone via email. Share a static view of your entire sheet by sending it as a PDF or Excel file attachment. You can also publish your sheet to a web page. To share collections of sheets, reports, and templates with the same group of people, use a workspace. As new items are added to the workspace, they'll automatically inherit the sharing permissions and color scheme applied to that workspace. You also have the option to share individual sheets within a workspace. And that's how Smartsheet makes it easy to collaborate in real time and keep everyone on the same page.